Ever wondered how your body moves or maintains posture? It's all thanks to your muscles. These incredible components of our bodies are not just about giving us the strength to lift heavy objects or run a marathon. They're also responsible for our stability, posture, and even generating heat to maintain our body temperature. From the muscles that let us blink an eye to those that keep our heart beating, they're all performing a vital role. So, ready to dive into the world of muscles? Let's flex our brain muscles and get started. Muscles are not all the same. They come in different types, each with its unique role. And that's right, we have 3 main types of muscles doing the heavy lifting in our bodies. First, let's talk about skeletal muscles. These are the ones you're training when you're pumping iron at the gym. Attached to bones, they're responsible for all voluntary movements like walking, running, and lifting. Next up, we have smooth muscles. These are the unsung heroes found in our internal organs like the stomach, intestines, and blood vessels. They control all those involuntary movements that keep us ticking along, like digesting food and controlling blood flow. And last, but certainly not least, we have cardiac muscles. These are unique to the heart, and their job is to contract rhythmically, pumping blood throughout the body. So, whether you're lifting weights, digesting lunch, or simply beating your heart, thank your muscles. Ever thought about what's inside a muscle? Let's take a closer look. Muscles are intricately constructed with long cylindrical cells called muscle fibers. These fibers are the real powerhouse, contracting and relaxing to create movement. But muscles aren't just made of fibers. They're wrapped in a connective tissue known as fascia, which provides support and protection. And let's not forget tendons, the sturdy cords that connect muscle to bone, making movement possible. Now, muscles aren't just for flexing at the beach. They serve some critical functions in our bodies. For starters, they're responsible for movement. Skeletal muscles work in pairs to produce coordinated movements, from the simple act of blinking to the complex motions of a ballet dancer. They also provide stability, supporting and stabilizing joints to prevent injuries. And when it comes to maintaining posture, muscles are your body's best friend, helping you sit or stand against gravity. Plus, they even act as your personal thermostat, generating heat to maintain body temperature. So muscles do more than just help us move. They're our body's support system, thermostat, and posture police. Now let's tour the major muscle groups in the body. Starting up top, the upper body muscles include those in the arms, shoulders, chest, back, and neck. These are your powerhouses for lifting, pushing, and pulling. Moving downward, the lower body muscles encompass your legs, hips, and buttocks. They provide strength for standing, walking, and jumping. Finally, the core muscles found in the abdomen, lower back, and pelvis are your body's stabilizers, helping you maintain balance. Remember, each muscle group has a unique role, so it's important to exercise them all for a balanced body. Like a car, muscles need maintenance to keep running smoothly. Let's pop the hood and see what's inside our muscle garage. First up, we have exercise, the fuel that powers our muscle engines. Regular physical activity strengthens these engines, improving our overall health. Next, we have proper nutrition. Think of it as the high-quality oil for your muscle car. Adequate protein intake supports muscle growth and repair, ensuring your engines are always revving. Now, even the best muscle cars need time in the garage. That's where rest and recovery come in. Muscles need time to recover and grow stronger after a hearty workout. Don't forget hydration. Water is the coolant that keeps our muscle engines from overheating. It's essential for muscle function and prevents cramping. Lastly, we have flexibility and stretching. This helps maintain muscle elasticity and range of motion. Consider it the ultimate muscle car tune-up. So remember, a happy muscle is a well-fed, well-rested, well-hydrated, and well-stretched muscle. Sometimes muscles can run into issues. Let's talk about some common muscle conditions. First off, we have muscle strains. These occur when a muscle is overstretched or torn, often due to overuse or a sudden movement. Think of it like pulling an elastic band too far. It can snap. Next, we have sprains. These are injuries to the ligaments that connect bones. They often happen alongside muscle strains, like a 2-for-1 special nobody asked for. Then there are muscle cramps, those painful, involuntary contractions that can wake you up in the middle of the night. They're usually caused by dehydration or overuse. Muscle atrophy is the loss of muscle mass due to inactivity or medical conditions. It's like your muscles deciding to take an extended vacation. Finally, muscle spasms are sudden involuntary muscle contractions, often due to fatigue or dehydration. They're like surprise parties from your muscles, but definitely not the fun kind. Knowledge is power. By understanding these conditions, you can take steps to prevent them. So, that's the Muscle 101 for you. We've journeyed through the types, structures, functions, and groups of muscles, as well as their health and common conditions. Remember, your muscles work hard for you every day, so treat them well. Until next time, stay strong and keep moving.